I'm going to let you know a little something about me. I have bunions. Not necessarily from high heel wear, I'll be honest. I'm not a big high heel wearer, but I have started having a lot of pain in my big toes, especially my right one. And so I have picked up toe separators. And so I picked these up and have enjoyed them. All you do is, I try to sleep in them at night, and you put your big toe, you see how it stretches? And so you just put them around your feet, around your toes, put your toes in between each one, and it keeps them separated. The most important one for me would be the big toe, and that's the big toe separator right there. And so you can, you don't have to have a left and a right for this, because you could just flip them around. So I would wear them on I guess right and left's gonna be backwards for y'all. But this would be where my big toe goes, my second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and then my baby toe comes out that side. So that's actually, and you see how stretchy it is. It's not extremely tight, but these inner parts right here are a little more firm, and so they're going to keep my toes separated so that my toes don't continue to smush together, smush together, and cause me to have some joint issues. So I'm excited about the Bondi Feet toe separators, and put this in your cart today.